couple days ago, we decided we should climb Mount Fuji. We started at this station, went to 6th station, went to new 7th station, then to old 7th station, then 8th station, 9th station, 9.5 station, and then the top. At the beginning, it was pretty easy, and it was only raining a little, and it wasn't that bad. But then it started getting worse.
Visibility is low. Morale is low. Fingers are, I don't know, can't feel them anymore.
We found these pillars, and as you can see, they have a whole bunch of money on them. We stuck some of our own money on the pillars too. If you climb Mount Fuji, you will probably see this. It was around 8th station and old 7th station. Once you reach the top, there is these torii gates.
We might not make it. Wait, that's the top. Never mind. Walking through the torii gate.
Very rocky at the top.
Gonna be that awesome.
Finally made it to the top. Horrible weather. But I still have to solve this cube.
Let's see it.
My fingers are so cold. This is just so hard.
I've never seen you go so slow. Yay! Here we are going down.
The weather started getting worse and worse while we were climbing down. It was very hard, but it was worth it to be able to solve the Rubik's Cube at the top.
Rainy and hazardous. Feels like we're walking through Mordor. And I'm Frodo, but I have shoes on. Frodo didn't have shoes on. Oh look guys, the penny station!
We're finally back at the pillars. We descended all the way down back to the 5th station.